Hello, adventurers. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Danny, where are we today?
We are at the Route 66 Historical Village in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Let's go adventuring. The Route 66 Historical Village is an open-air museum along Route 66 that showcases some awesome restored items from the early 1900s. Look at this old fort. It's like something straight out of the movie Cars.
You're in a heap of trouble, boy. Wrong car.
I don't think that's the sheriff.
No.
If you are traveling with a train lover, this is a must-stop destination. I don't know that I've ever been this close to a steam engine before, but I didn't realize that the wheels on this thing are basically as tall as I am. The wheels are taller than Danny.
I'd say...
A little gap there, but yeah, you're not gonna make up for the track height. Like.
And I'm 5'3", so this wheel is at least 5 feet tall.
That's crazy. Along with the steam engine, there is also a passenger car, oil tank car, and a caboose on display. This is a neat little lamppost right here, holding up the sign of Tulsa.
This right here is the Centennial Derrick, and it marks the spot of Tulsa's first oil strike that happened in 1901, and it is the tallest oil derrick at 194 feet.
After seeing all of the fun things outside, make sure that you don't miss out on visiting the Visitor Center. Out in front is the Visitor Center, which is made to represent a Phillips 66 filling station that would have existed back in the day. The Visitor Center was the perfect place to get out of the Tulsa sun and into some AC to cool down. While inside, we talked with the knowledgeable staff who gave us many great pointers about planning a Route 66 road trip and also where to find some really good resources to help us with our planning. We had such a great visit. Adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Route 66 Historical Village.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our adventures, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can see a new video every single Friday, and head over to Facebook and Instagram and follow us there as well.
We'll see you on our next adventure!